Soon you won't be doing a polar plunge here at Pere Marquette Beach in Muskegon, a place where a lot of people come and enjoy in the summer. We talk to people who know that a little bit of summer is what the whole year is about.
Frozen shorelines won't stop the excitement for a summer that will inevitably come.
Why are you buying a beach pass in the middle of January?
Hey, you gotta think positive, man. You know, rose-colored glasses was what you got to think about.
There's a lot to look forward to, like a day at the beach.
What's your favorite part about Pere Marquette Beach?
My kids love the jungle gym. That's their favorite part, and just watching my kids play.
People taking advantage of a limited time deal available at Muskegon City Hall.
We're running a BOGO sale right now.
It's a good value. The prices are going up, so this is a chance to be able to buy those passes at last year's prices.
We did change the annual price for passes this year from $20 to $40. But also what we've been hearing from our neighboring community members for a while was a desire to see some type of a sale like this so other folks could get the benefit of getting those passes for less, because our residents get 2 passes for free.
Buy one, get one free beach parking passes continues until Thursday. After that, those parking passes for non-residents will be $40 each.
So residents will be able to get their passes later this winter, coming into the spring. Those are currently being printed.
Because, well, it's never too early to wish summer's here already. Certainly too cold to remember that just 6 months from now, the water won't be frozen at all, but warm enough to swim.
I do love winter, but I am ready for summer, the warm weather.
Julie Dunmeyer, Fox 17 News.